This is a Redragon 60% keyboard with the Dragon Breath switch. And this is what it sounds like. Does it sound good like this? Sure it does. But there's a little something I want to try. I've never tried a tactile switch before. And this is the one I chose. This is also an Amazon warehouse deal. Used like new. Amazon warehouse deal. Amazon warehouse deal. Super cheap. Dirt cheap. Y'all have to get the Amazon warehouse deals. And if you're interested in any of these things, it'll be in the description below. Let's take a look at these. Not only is this my first tactile switch, this is my first Akko switch. Before we put switches on, let's take this off. I've already taken the screws out. There's the gaskets. Let's see what's inside. Foam over the battery, silicone, I have the Bittersweet Tactiles on the top row from here over, and everything else is the Dragon Breath. Let's do a real quick sound and feel test. Definitely a sound difference. And there is definitely a difference in the feel. I can feel the bump that I've heard so much about. You can definitely feel it. I'm curious to see what the whole board's gonna feel like with the tactiles. Space bars really bother me. They just seem so loud, and I don't know how to hit it softly when I'm typing. Like when I'm really going at it, when I'm at work, or if I'm typing my book or whatever. Stick some O-rings on it and see. I think that helps. Poke it through the little holes. Come on. All right. And then take the O-ring and put it back on to hold the foam in place. I just got to put this on and we'll be done. These still have the dragon breath switches across the top because I only had 45 switches. I had almost enough, but not here. Hear the difference? Hear how muted the spacebar is from the mod?